izin ke toilet sebentar ya, sebentar. Wait,
Okay.
tunggu. Oke, wait. Nanti kalau
Can I
misalkan,
also get something?
oke, ini, please send me your, kan kita pakai buku ya. We will use our book, oke? And then,
Okay.
if misalkan nanti if will, sorry, if the time is over, will over at 9 past, nggak apa-apa. Oke, it's okay. Because it's a bit little late ya. Wait, Miss ke toilet sebentar,
Uh,
bentar lagi.
Thanks, I'm back.
Hi, Gerard. Thank you for waiting me, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm-mm. Let's continue our last topic. Today we're going to learn about chemistry, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any homework? No?
No.
No. Is there any quiz or worksheet from your school?
No. But there is test tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. And then for your next test, is there any worksheet or any notes? No?
Let me check.
Okay. If you have any worksheet or maybe like from your web-based learning, you can share to Miss, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I think your mom told Miss. Good.
Let me see.
Yeah. Ada?
I
Huh?
don't. Wait, let me see.
Because your mom told Miss that. mm, I think your mom.
It's a reversible reaction.
Okay. If you want to, what is it? You want to, like, make any note, yeah, and make any notes. Mm. I will share. What is it?
Hello?
Yeah. If you want to write note, Miss will share whiteboard. Right? It's Gerard.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll share whiteboard, so you also can write into our Zoom. Okay. So if you,
Okay.
yeah, if you don't understand, yeah, about something or quite quite confused about something, just write into our whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
And then what's the topic should we learn for today from your book? Only from your book?
Reversible reactions, I think.
Oh, okay. Worksheet. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mm, not at all, Gerard. Worksheet or
Huh?
practice test? No.
No.
Okay. So for at your school, what's the practice or what's the material? It's only from your book without any,
Uh,
yeah, without any module, without any additional material. No.
no.
Okay. Okay, Miss will screenshot from our beginning or this one. Wait, please. Tell Miss what's the topic you want to learn. Continue our last topic or repeat our last topic. Wait, wait.
Uh,
Mm. I think you wait. Mm. And this one. Uh, I think the last topic is on mm, reversible, yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
reversible
Okay.
reaction.
Just reversible reaction only from your book without any additional module, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I think your mom knew that we should check and recheck your worksheet, but there's no worksheet for today, yeah. Okay. Wait, Miss will use uh whiteboard. Wait. I just want to screenshot the topic. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. 5. What about your last experiment?
What?
Your last experiment, your last
Uh,
laboratory practice, yeah? No? Is
we
there any
just
questions?
did like
Mm-mm.
we burned like something in a
Oh,
Bunsen burner. I forgot what the material was.
okay. But it's not for your daily test, right?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. If it's not for your daily test, yeah, it's okay. 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 I want to. What do you think? We should to repeat or we should to continue our last study because Miss want to what is it? Want to review some questions, yeah, on the topic. Okay, this one. Miss want to review this topic. Nah, Miss want to review this topic and give you some questions about
Uh,
this topic. And this one.
okay.
And this one. Nah, our what is it? Miss want to review the questions on at this topic from the last questions. Now, exam style questions. Okay. Wait. Miss will share uh whiteboard, so you also can use this whiteboard. Okay, whiteboard we can use together our whiteboard. Okay. Can you see my whiteboard, Gerard?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to write anything or you want to miss, I need you to nah this one. I need you to review this one or I don't clear with this topic. Yeah, just tell me, okay? Just write into this section, okay?
Okay.
Nah, number one ya, keywordnya nah. Okay, number one. Like I said on our last two weeks ya, 2 weeks ago lah. This one, it's from green to white. So it means that the product, the product is white. The products are white. All of the products are white. Okay, from the reactant green. Okay, from the green reactant. Okay, Gerard, is there any questions? Okay, so starting from green color and then change into white. Yeah, so what is the meaning of symbol? It means that it's reversible reaction. Okay, reversible reaction. Okay, what two observations are made when water is added to anhydrous iron to sulfate? Okay, where is the water on this reaction? Where is the water in this reaction for this reaction? Is it
Um,
right side or left side?
right side.
Yeah, okay. So it's like jungkat-jungkit ya, okay. Okay, jungkat-jungkit, jungkat-jungkit. Nah, this one is like jungkat-jungkit. You have water and you have sulfate in here. Okay, this one. Yeah, you have water and you have iron sulfate. Okay, and then on the right side you have anhydrous iron sulfate. This one, nah. Okay, both of them are balanced. Okay, both of them are balanced. So if you put or you add or you pour water, nah, it should make the reaction will, nah, will go to left side. Yeah, it's like jungkat-jungkit. If you with your brother with Ray, yeah, you're using, yeah, you were riding jungkat-jungkit, and then the different or the opposite, yeah, opposite, yeah, on your opposite there are two friends too, okay, and then
Okay.
one, yeah, and then one additional team, okay, one friend, yeah, you add one more friend. So it will make the jungkat-jungkit will be right, will be nah, okay, nah, because it's heavier. So if we want to make them balance, yeah, it balance, we have to share into the left side, into the opposite side, okay, into the opposite. Nah,
Okay.
okay, is there any questions? No.
Uh, no.
So it should be white, but because white is on here, then it will be back to green again. Now back to green. Okay, so it will make back the color or change the color into green. Nah, is there any questions? No.
No.
Okay, describe how cobalt chloride can be used to test the presence of the water. Cobalt chloride. Cobalt chloride. Describe, okay, it means that it's for cobalt chloride. If we want to test the water, cobalt chloride, this one, it should uh it should like conductor. Nah, cobalt chloride is kind or type of a conductor. So if we put a conductor into the water, it should make this cobalt chloride become like electric. In Indonesia like nyetrum. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It's like test pen. If you check electricity using test pen, test pen, test pen. It's like a pencil. It's like a pen, but it can
Uh-huh.
check the electricity. So if you need to check
Okay.
what or is there any electricity on this product or on this thing, now you should use your test pen. It's like cobalt chloride. Okay, next. Okay, this one, wait, which of this component contains all the elements needed for balanced compound fertilizer? Okay, I think it's about the text on the book. Okay, it's from your text on the book. Okay, so it means like you have to read again your book, yeah, because it contains on the book. Okay, Miss will continue to number three. Okay, number three, yeah, because it's just only
Okay.
right, like what is it, like some information. Okay, not a main course, not a main theme, main topic for your chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, this one. Wait. Okay. Next, number three. If you want to write anything, just write into the whiteboard. Yeah. Okay. Next, number three, Gerard. If you remember, do you remember about the reversible reaction? Okay, this one. This equation represent exothermic reversible. Yeah, on our last chapter, our last meeting, we have we have done with this topic. Yeah, we have solved these questions. But on our last meeting, Miss forgot to write about this exothermic. Okay, I forgot to tell you this is exothermic reaction. Nah, exothermic reaction means that it has enthalpy minus. Okay, Gerard.
Okay.
Do you remember
Like so
what?
exothermic, it like goes out, right?
Yeah, goes out. And then what will be happen? It's only change. Yeah, it only have a change. It only experience a change. Yeah, if the temperature are changed. Okay, so if it's about enthalpy, it's only depends on their temperature or its temperature. Okay. Okay, is there any questions? No.
No.
Nah. Okay, if you have minus in here and then you want to increase, yeah, you increase the temperature. Okay, what should be happen? It will not make the reaction will be on the right side, but it will be different. It will make this inverse. Nah, okay, why miss? Because the temperature increase is increasing, but enthalpy is down. Yeah, they have different path. They have different direction. So if it's different, it's also like different. Yeah, like a different. Nah. Okay, you should make the product, but because they are different, it should not be a product. It should be a reactant. Okay, is there any
So like
questions? So like
I'm
yeah.
a bit confused.
Okay, wait. Just check on the reaction. Is it exothermic or endothermic? Yeah. Okay. Is it exothermic? If if the reaction is exothermic, enthalpy is minus. Okay. Exothermic means the enthalpy or the heat of reaction is minus T. Okay. Next. Yeah. If the reaction contains the information about exothermic, it should change only by the temperature change. Okay, if the temperature doesn't change or do not have any change, yeah, the temperature doesn't have any change, it will make anything happen. Okay, so I mean like
Okay.
enthalpy is only related to temperature. Yeah, the enthalpy only related to the temperature. Okay, is there any questions?
No.
No. Okay. Nah, minus means that the temperature is drop. Okay. Nah, but yeah, but in these questions, you want to increase the temperature. So means that delta H or enthalpy is drop, but the temperature is up. Okay, they have different path. One drop and then another one is up. Okay, they are
Okay.
different. Yeah, they are different path. Nah, different path. Okay, what should be happen if they are different, miss? Okay, okay, yeah. In easily way, it should like you want to make product. What's the right or what's the direction? What's the path if you want to make product? Is it to right side or is it left side? Okay, if you want to make a product, what's the direction? What's the correct direction? One, first or second? Which one?
Uh,
To the right side, sorry, to the left side or to the left side? Which one?
the right
Direction?
side.
Yeah, the right direction for making product is first, right? Nah. Okay, but like me said before, yeah, but they are different. So you have to make product. But because they are different, it should not be a product. So it will make left side. Nah, is there any questions? No? Okay, is there any questions?
Uh,
Okay,
wait, I'm a bit confused again.
okay, wait. Miss will tell you with the endothermic, yeah. What about endothermic for
It,
your
like
comparison?
it gets the heat inside,
Mm-mm.
so it's like it goes down, I think.
Yeah, it should like uh inverse the direction. The direction should be to right side. But because they are different, okay, the direction will be inverse. Nah, okay.
Okay.
It's also be happen when you have enthalpy is positive. The enthalpy is positive, or we call it as endothermic. Endothermic means that delta H or delta enthalpy. Yes, delta enthalpy in here, different heat in here. It's yeah, the direction is positive. Okay, enthalpy is positive. Yeah, exothermic is negative. Exothermic is negative. This one, exothermic is negative. Wait, exothermic is negative. Nah, endothermic is positive. Okay, is there any questions? So it's
No.
like it's up. Yeah, and then for temperature. Yeah, temperature. If the temperature also up, nah, they have different path, right? Okay. Yeah, nah, they are different. Oh, they're the same direction, miss. They have same directions, miss. Okay. If they have both of them have the same direction, it should be make a product become faster. So the path, yeah. So the path or the direction for the product is to the product because both of them have different have a same direction. Okay, if it's different, it should make the reaction become inverse. Okay, is there any questions? No.
No.
Okay, just what is it, just apply this, yeah. Okay, yeah, is it different or is it same? Okay, is it different or is it same? Just check the delta H enthalpy and the temperature. Okay, is there any questions?
No.
Okay, Miss will check. Miss will give you questions. What about what about this one here? If Miss wait, is it okay? Okay,
Yeah.
Miss will give you a questions. What about this one here? If Miss has, okay, if Miss have enthalpy or is it the endothermic reaction? Endothermic reaction means that enthalpy is positive, right? Nah, okay.
Okay.
So it should be up. Yeah, it's like up. Nah, it's like because it's positive, it's like go up now. Okay. Next, temperature. What if Miss decrease the temperature? Okay, decrease the temperatures. Temperatures means that it will be go down, right? Both of them have different. What is it? Have different direction, miss. Nah, because they are different, it should be left side. Nah, okay. Is there any questions? No, no. Okay, Gerard.
Okay.
Okay. Is it a little bit confusing? No? Or is it
No.
clear?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Miss will move to concentration of substance A. Mm, 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 mm. Wait. Concentration. Wait. Concentration. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Wait, wait. Wait, Miss want to Miss wants to transfer my COD. Yeah. Andri Alvin. Wait, wait.
Miss, can you hear me? Am I lagging?
Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Kirat, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, next ya. Mm, mm,
okay.
mm, mm, mm. A, yeah. It's Miss will say once again ya. Temperature and enthalpy, they are have a relation. Okay. But for concentration, yeah, concentration like jungkat-jungkit. Okay. Like
Like
you use
concentration is like
how
the
may I say?
amount of the stuff.
Yeah, like timbangan, ya. Uh, wait, timbangan, timbangan in market, timbangan jadul, traditional timbangan. Okay, traditional timbangan. Have you bought something at traditional shop like toko sembako? Pernah? Have you
Huh?
go have you have you go to your traditional shop, traditional store or traditional
Uh,
market?
not really.
At at your lab, for no, they will use digital timbangan ya.
Okay.
It's like skills, but traditional skills. Wait, this one. Wait. Miss will check to you. Traditional, this one. Traditional skills. Wait. Nah. Wait. Hmm. For giving illustrate ya, for giving you illustration this one. Wait, it's like jungkat jungkit ki, lah jungkat jungkit ya miss. I know about jungkat jungkit. Because I think it's only less picture, less right picture. Ya, okay lah. Okay, next. Yeah. Concentration, like you use your jungkat jungkit, yeah, like me said before. So it means that you have to, nah, okay. There are two people, yeah, for starting, yeah, start time, yeah, they are balanced. They are balanced. Okay.
Okay.
For starting, they are balanced. And then you add concentration. You increase the concentration of substance A. Okay. It means that you add one more friend. Nah, okay. Okay. The start
Okay.
condition is balanced. But then you put or you add anything on your left side. And then it's like jungkat jungkit. It's like timbangan. Yeah, it's like timbangan. If you have this one, you also uh it will like okay. Okay, so it will it will be have it will experience. Why, miss? Why? Because like me said before, it should be balanced. But you add more on the left side. Okay, so it will make flow. Nah, it like water flow. Nah, which one is heavier? Nah, it's like a water. Okay, you know water?
Yeah.
Water. If the bottle of water, if the bottle of water, what is it like? Okay, like a bottle. It should be a bottle. Then there, miring. Yeah, okay. It's like a bottle, but it's miring. This one. Okay. Then it will, it will have the different path, right? Different direction, right? This one. Okay. Or you have illustration like this one. You have balance on your account. Yeah, on your bank account. Is it your asset? And then this is your it's debit and it's credit. Okay, it's like your
Okay.
revenue. Yeah, is it like it's like revenue. Okay, it's like your revenue, and then it's like uh your necessary. Yeah. Okay, but then you add your revenue. If you have some money, what should you do, Gerard? Do you keep
Uh,
the money? No, I think you will use your money, right? Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So you will use your money to buy something. Is there any questions? No?
Uh, wait, let me see. Uh,
Mm-mm.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Just check, is it concentration, or is it uh or is it temperature? Just check. Yeah, Gerard. Yeah. What's the
How do
question?
I know if it's concentration or temperature?
And this one, concentration. Nah, it should be written on your questions. Nah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, please remember the notes. Yeah, enthalpy, or this is exothermic or endothermic reaction, only will change, yeah, only change by the temperature change. If the temperature doesn't change at all, it means that the exothermic, yeah, useless. Yeah. Okay, is any questions?
No.
Yeah. Okay, next. Yeah, what about pressure? Pressure related to volume. Okay,
Okay.
pressure and pressure and volume, they are have a connection. Yeah, but they are opposite. Okay.
Okay.
Do you remember what's the opposite for these two factor? If it's for
What?
pressure,
What did you
do you
say?
do you remember, Jay, our last meeting to,
Not really.
okay, pressure, yeah, pressure is contradiction. Yeah, it's they are opposite. Pressure and volume, they are opposite. Okay, for pressure, for pressure, they will choose. Okay, wait. For pressure and volume, please check your coefficient. Okay,
Okay.
for pressure and volume, please check the coefficient. Okay, but the works, yeah, or the, what is it, the influence of pressure and volume, they are opposite. Okay, but you should to consider, you should to focus on the coefficient. Okay, how do we use the coefficient, miss? What should we do? Okay, coefficient means the number, a number. Nah, so on the left side, okay, you have three coefficient. You have total three of the coefficient number for this reaction.
Okay.
Okay, and then for the right side, or for the product, you have two. How do I get to, miss? Two. Okay, you get number two, you get these two. Yeah, you get these two from this number.
Okay.
Okay, is there any questions? So you have, on the left side it's three, on the right side it's two. Okay, it's only for pressure and volume. Okay, like me said before,
Okay.
yeah. What's the questions? Is it concentration? Is it pressure? What's the questions? Okay, what should we do now, Miss? For pressure. Wait. Mm. Okay, for pressure, yeah, it's like asas from Le Cavalier. Okay, if the pressure are increasing, or if the pressure increase, yeah, increase means that the pressure is up. If the pressure is up, okay, if the pressure
Okay.
is up, it would flow, or it would have the direction, okay, into the coefficient smaller, into the smaller coefficient, okay, the
Uh-huh.
smaller. Nah, okay, so if you have 3 and 2, if the pressure increase, what should be happen? Okay, is it right side, right direction, or is it's gonna be left direction? Kira, no, which one? Red
Uh,
or blue?
uh,
This is, nah,
I think it's
red, right?
blue.
Uh, right one. Okay, this is
Blue?
the right one. Nah,
Oh,
okay, the red arrow is the right direction.
okay.
Yeah, okay. Miss will repeat it. Yeah, if the if the pressure is up, it will make direction, yeah, flows. Yeah, it will make the temperature, it will make direction flows into the smaller coefficient. Is there any questions? No.
No.
Nah, like me said before, pressure and volume, they have relation. Yeah, they are like relative. Nah, they're like family. Relative lah ya kan. But they are different. Okay, if pressure up means that volume is down. Okay, so if the volume is up, it's also go to the smaller coefficient. Okay, go to the smaller coefficient. Okay, nah.
Okay.
What about if the pressure is down, Miss? If the pressure is down, it will flow, or it will have the direction into the bigger, yeah, into the bigger coefficient. Nah, if the pressure is down, yeah, it means that the volume is up. Nah, because they are opposite, okay, they are opposite, they have opposite direction, yeah. Volume is up, yeah, volume is up. Oh, wait, volume is up, and then the pressure will be, volume is down, the pressure will be up. Nah, if the pressure down, the volume will be
Uh,
up.
so
Nah.
like if pressure is
Oh.
down, volume will be up, and if volume down, pressure up.
Mm-mm. Yeah, and then don't forget to the direction. Is it go to smaller coefficient, or it will go to bigger coefficient? Okay, Gerard, is there any questions? I have
No.
I have a trick for you. Yeah, just focus on the volume. If volume down, if the volume down, it will go to smaller. Okay,
Okay.
volume down means that pressure up. So if you take phi down, volume is down, it will be smaller. Okay, so it will make smaller, it will go to smaller coefficient. Pressure are different. The pressure is different, so it will up. So when pressure is up, it will go to smaller. Nah, so it means that volume, yeah, volume in here. Nah, this one like have a same direction with the coefficient key. Okay, like have a same have a same direction. Smaller means go down, right? Nah, smaller means go down. Smaller means go down, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, nah. What about bigger means bigger means go up. Nah, so nah, nah. Is there any questions?
No.
No. Okay, yeah. Miss will say, Miss will repeat slowly, say yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So there are four factor that can make reaction become reversible. Okay, reversible means become have the opposite direction. Okay, the four factor are concentration, pressure, volume, and temperature. Okay, and
Okay.
then you should remember what will be happen for each factor. Okay, okay, it's from temperature. What's the relationship for temperature? For factor of temperature? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, temperature only will make if temperature change only make the change for the exothermic or endothermic means nah. So if there are no information about the exothermic one, we cannot determine. Yeah, we cannot determine how the temperature will change. Okay, because there are no information about exothermic or endothermic. Okay, they're like
Okay.
a package. Okay, they're like a package key. H with T and then pressure or volume with coefficient. Ah, is there any questions? Miss will write into the whiteboard, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The notes is wait, Miss will use in if the temperature temperature factor one is the factor one factor, yeah. First factor is temperature. It will only change. It will only make change if the temperature or there are some information or an information, yeah, there are information about the exothermic or endothermic. Okay, so temperature have to know which which of this reaction is it endo or is it exo. Okay, endo
Okay.
means enthalpy is positive. Exo means enthalpy is minus. Okay. Temperature up or increasing temperature means that T is up. Okay. Decrease the temperature means that T is go down. Okay. Plus,
Okay.
yeah, plus in here or endothermic means that delta H is like go up. If they are have the same direction, they will go to the product. Nah, okay, they will go to the product.
Okay.
Okay, but if they are both of them have the opposite direction, if they have opposite direction, okay, nah, this one, nah, they are opposite, right? Yeah. If they have opposite direction, it should make the direction will be go to the left. Okay. Nah. Is there any questions or go to the reactant? Nah.
Okay.
Okay. Is it anything clearer or no?
No.
Or a little bit confused? No?
Yeah, I'm a bit confused.
What's the factor? Is it for temperature, pressure, or concentration? Which one? Mm-mm-mm. It's for temperature. And then the second factor is P or via V aja ya. Okay, volume. Volume and pressure, they are opposite, right? Okay. So just focus on the volume. Is the volume up? If the volume increase, yeah, it should go to the bigger coefficient. Okay, it should go to the bigger coefficient. Nah, okay. If the volume is up, if the volume is up, then the pressure will be down. Okay, because P and V always different. Okay.
Okay.
Nah, and then what about this V or volume go down, miss? Okay, it will go to the smaller coefficient. Nah, when the volume is go down, yeah, the pressure is
Okay.
up. Nah, okay, just remember the package. It's like package. It's like a circle, yeah, Rhea. It's like sorry, Gerard. It's like a what is it? It's like a circle. It's like a couple. It's like a couple, ya kan? Okay. Is there any questions? No.
No.
No. And then last factor is the concentration. What about the concentration, miss? The concentration is like your revenue. Yeah, R is revenue, and then this one is your, it's like your necessary, yeah, necessary. Okay, if you have
Okay.
much money or your revenue is bigger than before, yeah, if your revenue are bigger than before, you should change your lifestyle, right, J? Yeah. Okay, you will use your remaining money for buying something, right? Nah, okay. So if when revenue up, yeah, when wait, it's like revenue is for reactant, nah reactant, and then it's for like product. Okay, if
Okay.
one of them are bigger, they should share to another. Okay, if one of them is bigger, they should share to another. Okay, so it means that if you have, wait, it's for product. If you have reactant, it's bigger, miss. You should share your bigger or your reminder to helping your team. Yeah, to helping your family. Nah, they look like a little sister, yeah. It's sister and it's brother. If sister
Okay.
have bigger money, yeah, have uh what is it? Have a bigger salary, yeah, he or she should share with her family, right? Ah, okay. Which one is bigger? If it's bigger, yeah, it has to share with this one. Okay. 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 And and the similarly. Okay. And it's also for necessary. Sorry, for product. If the product are have a bigger portion, yeah, it will share into the opposite. Nah, is there any questions? No? Hello, okay.
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Is there any questions? No?
No.
Okay. Is it still a little bit confusing or no? Mm-mm-mm. Your this chapter only, nah, the note for this chapter only this one. Okay. Nah, only about the factor. That's all of your summary for this chapter. Okay? Okay. Okay, I think it's enough ya, Gip. Miss will share this to you. Okay? Please remember about about the or is it about the explanation. Okay? Because my my handwriting is not so good. Yeah. It's like ugly. Yeah. So you have to remind Miss explanation. Okay? Okay. Okay, thank you for today, okay?
Okay, bye, miss.
Okay, yeah, bye. If you need something or if you want to tell me, just tell me, okay? Bye.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.